Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss about constructor in inheritance. In the previous video we have seen what is inheritance and what are the various types of inheritance. So in this video we are going to discuss how does a constructor be working in inheritance. Okay, let's start by creating a class which is class A, and we'll define a init constructor. Okay. Okay, this is a constructor and I'll print init in A, and I'll create a method which is show, and which takes a self parameter. Let's print show in class A. Okay. Okay, next we'll create a class B which doesn't have an init method. It will only have a method which is display, or let's say show. No problem in using the same method name. Print show method in class B. Okay, so if I inherit class A, let's see what will it inherit. Let's see, by creating an object of class B. Okay, if I do B dot, and you can see it is giving me the show method of class B itself. Okay, okay, that is expected. And if I run it, see, it is inheriting only the init method of class A. Okay, okay, it doesn't matter what object you create. It only matters if you create an object, init method will be called automatically. It doesn't matter if you create the object of B. Okay, it doesn't matter if you create the object of A. It only matters that if you create an object, init will be called. Okay, that will be called automatically. So that is the reason why init is being called from A. Okay, but the method is not called yet. So how will you call the method of A? Okay, how will you do that? Okay, let's do it by using the super method. Super dot if you can see here, it is suggesting me the show. Okay, as the method name is show, we are giving it as show. Okay, now if I run it, now you can see the method is being called from class A. Okay, so super works in this fashion. It will call the methods of A. Okay, and it can also call the method of init. It will also call the init. Okay, suppose if I give init method here, I'm giving init here in class B. Okay, I'm printing it as init in class B. Okay, and I'll give it as class A here. Okay, so let's see what init will be printed now. Earlier it has printed the init of class A, and now what will be printing? Let's see by running it. If you see, it is printing init in class B. Okay, because you have created an init method here in class B, but why it is not calling class A init method? Okay, so to get the class A method, you have to use the same super function for init. Okay, super dot init. That's it. Now this init super method will call the init constructor of class A. If you run, you can see it is calling init in class A and init in class B. Obviously, the methods are also being called, okay, using the super method. Okay, the method of class A is also called by the super method, and the init constructor is also called by the super method. Okay, that is the importance of a super keyword in inheritance. Okay, so this is how a constructor works in inheritance. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.